What's good, y'all? So as y'all can see, man, we already. This is the trade that I was looking for yesterday. This is what I wanted to trade yesterday, like from this 69.60 trading up into this blue shaded area. But as you see, like it's gone without us, but it's all good. I'm still bullish. I'm gonna want to see how price moves right now. We are at the open, so I'm gonna sit back and be a little patient as always, and then see what we can get into. So if we do possibly just like go up and take all of this, I'll probably be looking. I might switch my bias and look for shorts back into this regular trading hours gap, somewhere in there, maybe like the 50%, and then sit back and just wait and see what happens after that. But this is literally the move that I was expecting yesterday. But yeah, we'll be patient. We'll see what's going on, and of course, y'all will know what I decide to do. So yeah, let's just sit back and watch it for now. All right, so we start to sell off already. So as you can see, like I'm expecting price to maybe come back somewhere around here, maybe, and then I'll look for some longs. But I definitely want to see it at least maybe get to the 50% of this regular trading hours gap before really trying to take this. somewhere we can take some profits too up there. Oh shit, hold on. Since these are like equal highs right now, relative equal up there. And then let's look at the weekly. We're at the middle of the week now. Yeah, so I'm thinking somewhere around there, like 7,030 might be my target. But yeah, we got to be patient because it's going to move around a lot. I think we had some news or something, unemployment that dropped this morning. So it's probably going to move around a little weird at first, and then we'll kind of see how it plays out. But I would want to see a little bit more of a pullback before being comfortable getting long. Even though we are showing some buying energy right now, I still want to be a little patient on it. I would also be happy if it came down and retested the midnight open right there at 69.79, and then we just reversed to possibly, because that's also the London high. Maybe retest that London high, and then I think the Asia high is right above that too. So somewhere in that area, Asia high looks like it's like at 69.86, which is the 50% of the regular trading hours gap too. So might account for something. But I'm just gonna wait for market structure to let me know what's going on. Still don't think it's ready yet. Might be, but still not thinking it's ready. I'm thinking that we're just coming back because you see this fair value gap that we have right here. This candle closed outside of it, so I think this is just a retest to push lower for a second so we can maybe reach down into this other fair value gap down here. Could be wrong, but that's what I'm kind of anticipating right now. But I want to get my entry somewhere down here. Unless it just continues to present itself like this, then I'll just get in. But it's still a little early for me, so still gonna wait it out a little bit. Tired. Okay, so it's 9:50 now, so this is about the time where I want to see some entries start presenting themselves. So I want to see if we're gonna dig down into that 15-minute fair value gap that's just a little bit lower. But shorts are starting to look like they want to take over, but I'm going to stick with my bias for now. All right, now we're into that fair value gap that I was talking about earlier. Let's see if it just wants to dig a little bit more before taking off. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get in. I'm gonna put my stop below this that swing point where it went down to. It's possible that it could go a little bit further down, but I mean, that could be enough at the same time. And if we do go lower, that's cool. But like I said, I wanted to see it go a little bit lower, but we're starting to show some bullish energy. From that point, we did hit the fair value gap. Let's see what's gonna happen. But I'm willing to get right back in after, so either way. Okay, we got stopped out of that one. Bias is still the same though, guys, for right now. Yo, what's going on, Amin? Oh, my mic is still low? Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I gotta talk a little bit closer to it or something. It used to be real good. Yo, my man Max, what's going on, dog? Long time. Yeah, that with the news, price with news, yeah, for sure. I feel you on that. Like I still think we're bullish for today. I mean, if we start trading up under this like midnight open and New York open and like staying up under there, then I'll switch my bias. But as of right now, I'm still bullish. Hey, what's going on, Futures Empress? Okay, okay. Yeah, I took a little break from going live, but now we back. I've been pretty consistent this week. Yeah, I mean, I'm expecting that. I want to see the 50% get hit of that regular trading hours, or at least retest this Asia high right here. But I'm definitely ready to go long. So we just hit the 50% now. Still waiting though. Might retest that midnight open. Yeah, we gonna try that. And I'm gonna put my stop below that candle right there. And then I want to target. I think we can make it up to this 7,030 area. But I mean, we'll watch it and see. Oh, you want NQ? Yeah, I already know as soon as you said the price. Hopefully, they don't try and double dip the liquidity. But I got a good entry to where it's a low risk, anyways. Yeah, it's looking like it's about to take us out. Yeah, they got me again. Wait this one out. I still want to go long, but now I'm gonna have to wait. them hourly and 4 hour candles not looking good though. Yeah, it did. It definitely did sweep the previous day high already. Right at the open, pretty much. But we swept the low and the previous day low and high on ES at least. You said you just got in for long. If we come down to this New York Open, I'm gonna give it one more shot if we reject from it. But yeah, outside of that, I would be long. I'll be done trying to go long if we come back that much because we've already traded near the weekly open, pushed up. You know what I mean? So I'd really have to see strong rejection at this point to still be bullish. But it doesn't seem like the buyers can do it just yet. Okay. But yeah, like I said, these higher time frame candles, I'm not liking the way they printed. But I'll probably do one more long or one more trade in general, and we'll see what happens from there. try this one. Tap the New York Open, and then we got the candle closure kind of back up above the midnight open. So it's not as aggressive as I would like to see, like push back up. But the fact that we had these green candles and then this we flipped back bullish after coming down and testing this New York Open. See what happens. Yeah, not looking good. If this candle would have closed a little bit better up here, I would have liked it. I mean, I'm liking that we didn't take out the previous low of this 1 minute candle. You know, if all of these can kind of stay intact. But yeah, see, that's what I was already thinking. Yeah, I went back at it again too. Yeah, I have my personal daily loss limit pretty tight too, so I don't know if it's gonna let me place another trade or not. I'm just letting my risk management. I don't want to think about it. Still closing up above this New York Open though. Yeah, I think it's about time to stop looking for longs. This is like our last chance. If we can't get like a strong rejection back up above this New York Open, then not thinking it's the move. This kind of sell off is kind of what I would want to see before us reversing. How it's just almost, it's not perfect, but it's just, continuous. Yeah, starting to think it's over for the longs. back at that weekly open again. Yep, yep, yep. Yeah, no, I feel it. I might give it one more chance on the trade, but I just got to figure out one my direction and how I want to go about it. But it's selling off for sure. But all right, Max, have a good one, bro. Good to see you back. Excuse me. So I mean, I'm sure that that data low you was talking about got hit already too. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. That's why I'm trying to wait and see how this is gonna play out. I really wanted to, especially, oh dang. So I'm thinking about getting in. We're gonna try it out. But um, so stop. This will be my last trade because it's probably just gonna lock me out after this trade. Here in a second, it might liquidate me. But um, I really wanted to see at least on the 15 minute, this previous 15 minute get taken. Yeah, like I said, like I told you, it liquidated me. So I'm locked out of this account now. But that's what I was thinking also. But I don't know. We'll see. I'm not gonna stay around for it though, because I try to get off here by 10:30, 11, and I could go unlock the account and like place more trades, but I'm gonna be strict on my risk management, man. That's the only thing that's gonna save us in this is risk management. But but yeah, I mean, I still would like to see some type of buying pressure, and maybe not to my original TP, of course, but we left fair value gaps behind. At some point, it's gonna come back in here and trade in here and retest the New York Open, retest the Midnight Open, or even just the weekly Open. But it's gonna come back and retest something. But and we did have unemployment that happened today, so whenever we have red news like that, the market just moves funny. So, got to keep that in mind. But yeah, so we lost. If I'm locked out, we lost 500 today, which is all good. Still got plenty of room to go and plenty of room to grow. So either way, we're good. Um, I think that probably puts me almost like break even for the week though. So either way, when you look at it like that, it's all good. But all right, I'm about to log off, guys. That was it for me. Um, we'll be back tomorrow. We'll see what's going on. I might come back after lunch. We'll see. I don't really want to place any more trades in this account, so I might not come back after lunch. But yeah, good luck to everybody. Risk management, man. Stay on top of it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.